Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Yes, welcome back to the channel. Big up to all my loyal subscribers. Big up to the police officers in Jamaica, teachers, firemen, the correctional officers, everybody in Jamaica that helped to make the wheel spin. Remember, people, subscribe and share to the channel. It does not cost you anything. I'm going to see how much people is going to subscribe to this channel in the next few days. Come on, spread the word to your friends and families. Subscribe to the channel. Social media. People, be careful of who you listen to on social media, because some people just spread propaganda. Some people will do anything to get views, anything to make money on social media. And that includes tearing down the Jamaican Police Department, tearing down Jamaica itself. I'm just a while ago, a video just passed my eyes a while ago. I said, what kind of foolishness this that man is talking about? For every second, there's a crime happening in Jamaica. Yes, it's true. Every country around the world right now, every single second or a minute, a crime is happening right around the world. Because no one is perfect and every country has crime, including Jamaica. So don't come tear down Jamaica because Jamaica is not the only country that a crime is happening as we speak, whether it be rape, murder, robbery, etc., etc. But Jamaican Police Department seems to be the only department that people can just pick apart and just talk anything about because it sells. Because some of these bloggers, if they don't talk about police or politician, nobody wants to listen. And this is the Jamaican people style, they are bandwagonists. Because once somebody's talking anything negative about a politician or a police, everybody seems to be, oh, yes, about that. Because we love to hear bad things about people in authority. Of course, yeah, it sells. Rumors sells. No. This blogger go as far as saying that a crime is happening in Jamaica now, and if you call a police station and report rape and murder or robbery, that the police, the only place on earth that the police will say they have no vehicles to come, while the police are parked at a bar drinking. That is what this blogger is saying. But let me tell you something, people. Nonsense. Nonsense. Because you see, once you call the police station, people, any police station, as a matter of fact, you don't have to call the police station strict. Because nobody calls the police station. You call police control. You call 119. And once you call and you report which area the incident is happening in, the control is going to call this police station by radio and report and inform them of the report, not by phone, although control sometimes call you by phone. But the control is going to reach out to the station in that area by radio. And then the station guard is going to reach out to a unit if the unit is on the street or if the unit is at the base. And anyway, that unit they're there, if man they are bar a drink and they are giving instructions from control, because sometimes what the guard room will do is tell control which unit is out there. So control has a call sign for that unit, and they will say Hunts Bay CIB 1 or Hunts Bay Patrol Unit 1 from control, and control will give them the directive to go to the assignment. And any man will receive an assignment from control and do not carry out that a problem. Head of a roll, like what Joseph Messam said, balls are going to squeeze. You understand, people? So don't make nobody come and telling us about police, their bar park up and not responding to people. I am not saying that sometimes people may call and police does not respond because they have no vehicle. But there's no way if they have a vehicle that they will not respond unless the vehicle not work. I was stationed at Seaview Gardens, and Seaview Gardens at one point did not have a car. The one car was at the garage. And whenever we got calls to respond to, we will have to contact Huntsby, and then the patrol unit will send and we ask for assistance. And they will either come to the Seaview station, pick up a police from the local station and go to the assignment, or they will go to the assignment, then take the victims to the Seaview station or report off to us. So nobody come telling you about no police. Police do not respond to calls from people. Especially if you call 119, so people, let me tell you, don't call the police station straight then. Call 119. Call the emergency line. And the control will direct a unit to your address. That is the fastest way. Because sometimes you call it, if you call the police station straight, police, there might be another call and a lot of calls are coming in. So it is too busy. Call police control. Call emergency line. That is what you're supposed to call. You get the quickest response that way. People, stop listening to these village lawyers who has nothing good to say about the police, because they will try anything for people. Do not have any confidence in the police, that the police is at bars drinking when the police is supposed to be responding to crime and violence. No police officer does that. That is the kind of negativity that Jamaica needs to try avoid, and these people who are spreading things just to make money and just to get clout and views, that they will destroy the police department and destroy the Jamaican society itself just to make money. Because most of these bloggers are hustlers. They're hustlers. They only think about their pockets like politicians. They are no better than Jamaican politicians. They speak about what will give them views. They don't speak about what helps the people in Jamaica or what educate the people in Jamaica. That is the things they speak about. You need to stop listening to these people because they are fraud, they are fakes. Once you call a police station, and like I said, do not call a police station, people. If you are calling a police station, don't. Call the emergency line. Call emergency 911. Another thing, people. Sometimes you might call emergency, you can't get through either because the line's busy. People have experienced that before. But hopefully when you call, that does not happen. But no man now itch up a bar when they have work to do. Well, personally, I know I never itch up a bar when I work, because I never like bars. Because most police die in a bar anyway. I don't have time for that. Once I get a report, I'm responding to that immediately. Because most police does that. Even shooting. You have some police now respond to shooting, don't you? Because them say they don't have family out there and they don't risk them life. But most police out there will respond. They risk them life for the members of the society on a daily basis. Some people don't really know that these police are doing. Police officers are heroes, Hidden heroes. Heroes. The only heroes in Jamaica right now are police officers, Because a hero is a man who risks his life for members of the public or risks his life for people. Which other entity risking their lives for people in Jamaica? People who want to look around, Who in Jamaica right now, not even your own family will risk their lives for you. But the police will. Because right now if you call, say, man, I broke in your house, the police is coming. And the man who's breaking into yours potentially armed. So the policeman is coming and can be killed in the process of responding to a possible house breaking, a robbery, rape, murder, whatever, burglary, whatever you might say. Police might come and lose them life. Because you're inside of your house and they are coming in and you call the police, they will be met by the police outside and they will try to take out the police. Because this is how these criminals are. They do not like to be cornered. And once a man decides that he's going to break into somebody else to commit a felony, then if the police comes, he will shoot at the police if he's armed, if he's so armed. Don't make nobody telling you every day and spread propaganda on the police department in Jamaica, because the police department is a department of heroes. I will say it again, the police department is a department of heroes, people who will put their lives on the line, and people who have been putting their lives on the line for you every day. Even the same police will come out there and write you a ticket and take money from you. Yeah, somebody corrupt like that, yes. But him there station and people are broken in your house, him same one will come and save your life too. So you don't write off a man because he take money from the man. He's not supposed to do it. But at the same time, when duty calls, he will carry out his duties. And that's that the commission is trying hard to get the department, to get rid of those kind of people out of the department. And bear with us. Bear with the commission and bear with the police department. Because the police department is the only, police officers are the only heroes in Jamaica. Nobody else are. Nobody else is. Who else is risking their lives for you people in Jamaica? Look at it. I want you to look at it, look at it properly. Look at it far and wide. Look at it. Who else will risk their lives for you?